In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fireworks in Minecraft. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get paper, which you can get from cutting down sugarcane that appears throughout your world. You will also need gunpowder, which you can get through killing creepers, witches, and ghast. Anyways, all you want to do in order to get started is place down your crafting table, and there's multiple different types of fireworks that we can make. But this right over here is the simplest firework that you can make, so you can go ahead and make it as easy as just placing down a single paper on the bottom, and then a gunpowder on the top just like so. And you're able to create a basic rocket right over here, so here it is, and you can go ahead and begin using it. Now you'll notice that this rocket is pretty basic and it doesn't have any fancy colors or like explosions or anything like that. So this firework is mainly used for people riding on elytras and stuff like that. So this is going to get the job done. But if you want to add like patterns and colors to your firework, then the process is going to look slightly different. Okay, so if you're trying to add like cool patterns and colors to your firework, here's what you need to do. You need to start off by opening up your crafting table one more time. And this time you want to start off by placing a single gunpowder in the middle just like so. And now in order to add color, you want to go ahead and use whatever dye you want. The dye is going to determine what color your firework is going to be made out of. So you can use any of the dyes in the game, but for this video, let's keep it simple and use the blue dye. And as you're able to tell, this is going to create something called a firework star. And a firework star is what we're going to be using in order to create the more fancier fireworks out there. But anyways, what's cool about this is that you're actually able to add other colors as well. So you can go ahead and mix and match like blue and purple, for example. You can also add like green if you wanted to. And there honestly is a lot of great options. So go ahead and experiment and see which combination fits best for you. All right, for this video, let's just go ahead and stick with purple and blue. And the next thing that we can do is we can add modifications to our firework. So you can just leave it like this if you want to. If you just want your firework to have a different color, that is absolutely fine. But if you want your firework to create like the creeper face explosion or the star-shaped explosion, then here's what we need to do. We need to go ahead and use a modifier. And over here in this section of my inventory, I have all of the different modifiers that you guys could use. So I'm going to put a little description on the screen that you guys can take a look at. But just keep in mind that if you add a gold nugget, that is going to create a star-shaped explosion, a mob head, it could be a zombie head or a creeper head, that is going to create a creeper face explosion, a feather is going to create a burst, a fire charge is going to create a large ball, a glowstone dust is going to create a twinkle, and a diamond is going to create a trail. Alright, so you guys can go ahead and use any of these different items in order to actually modify it. So for this video, let's go ahead and actually do the creeper face explosion. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to add your creeper face right over here. And as you're able to tell, the firework star is now going to say creeper shaped and then purple right over here. So once you're 100% done with the modification and the colors, go ahead and just craft your firework star just like so. Now, in order to make this into a rocket, all you want to do is you want to put it back into the crafting table, then put a piece of paper on the top and then some gunpowder in the bottom. And as you're able to tell, we are now able to get our firework rocket. All right, so once you're 100% satisfied with your rocket, go ahead and craft it just like so. So here's our firework, and if you go ahead and actually use it, you will notice that the explosion is going to have the purple color and the creeper face that we did design earlier. So as you're able to tell, it creates this really cool effect. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our partners over at Simple Game Hosting. Simple Game Hosting allows you to play multiplayer Minecraft with you and all your friends in your own private world. With Simple Game Hosting, you're able to create a 24/7 unlimited slot server for you and all your friends. And Simple Game Hosting is incredibly beginner friendly with their dozens of video tutorials and 24/7 live customer support where a Minecraft server expert can walk you through the entire process start to finish. You guys are also able to add mods, mod packs, and plugins with the click of a single button. And in general, playing Minecraft with your friends creates everlasting memories. And I highly suggest that you use Simple Game Hosting in order to create a server. If that is something you're interested in, feel free to check out the link in the description down below and in the pinned comment. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, French fries.